What's going on YouTube? I'm Ravi Abuvala and welcome to my crib. We're here in Tenerife, Spain. This is actually off the coast of Africa, and we're here for a company retreat with about 18 employees, and we even just did a mastermind with another 24 clients that came in, flew in yesterday. Jack, throw it on the screen real quick. You guys can see a few videos of us talking to everybody. It was absolutely epic. And then today, we got a few people in the house, and I just figured I would walk you guys through and show you where we've stayed for the past 5 days. So I have to say, this has been probably one of the weirdest houses I have literally ever stayed in. I don't actually understand what most of this stuff is. There seems to be a saddle and a hammer over there. There's cactuses. There's chairs that aren't actually to be used as chairs as well. And you guys are gonna see, just pay attention to the video and just look at some of the stuff on the walls as we're walking through here, because I've literally never seen anything like this before. But that being said, this is our first ever company retreat. We're at about 32 employees right now inside Scaling with Systems. And so at the end of the year, we've had an awesome record year. And I wanted to kind of treat everybody and come out here. And we chose Canary Islands in Spain for reasons I won't get into in this video here, but it's been an incredible experience, and let me show you guys what it looks like inside of here. So obviously this is the front doorway. This is the very technical and very advanced doorbell. Pay attention to it over here. Ding dong! All right, let's move in here. This is a very strange looking element that we have. You got a punching bag over here as well. We also have, I think total bedrooms in this place is 9 bedrooms. There's multiple different areas. I'm not gonna walk you guys through the entire thing because I wanna be respectful of your time, but 9 different bedrooms. There's 3 floors of it. There's like a bunk bed at the very top. Laundry room's over there. That's my room. Once again, some weird looking artwork over here. A grand piano. This is Jose. He's been looking after us this entire trip we've had here. Everybody say hi to Jose over there. All right. This goes downstairs. I'm going to show you guys downstairs here at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to the end. It is very weird down there as well. A few more bedrooms back there, and then if we walk back this way, you'll probably see a few of our team members this way as well. So this is Mike and Jake. Mike's a client of ours right here, and that is Jake. He's head of sales as well. Wave to them. Good to see you guys. This is my beautiful girlfriend Lauren right here, who is acting like she's working, but probably not actually doing it. This is Zachary. He is head of tech at Scaling with Systems. This is Richie, also a client of ours. This is Gabriel. He is the head of our setting team at Scaling with Systems as well. Everybody wave the camera. Yeah. All right. Come out here. This is our youngest member at Scaling with Systems, but the most mature at heart. This is Mr. Kabir. Kabir, take a bow. Okay, thank you. Excellent, thank you. Kabir, how old were you when you started working for us?
17,
and you dropped out of university, right?
Yeah, 2 months in.
All right, I love it. So dropped out of university, that's what we do at Scaling with Systems. We ruin people's futures. I'm just kidding, no, he's actually living his best life. Where were you going right after you came to Europe? Where are you going right after you leave here?
Greece for 3 weeks, and then UK meeting family for like a month or so.
And have you ever done anything like that before? Have you ever traveled internationally, anything like that before?
First time in Spain, first time in Europe, so yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pretty incredible, yeah, he's an awesome guy. This is Mr. Brian. He is in charge of our entire back-end team at Scaling with Systems. This is Mr. Christian, this handsome guy right here. He's actually already in Europe as well. He is our media buyer, pretty much head of marketing at Scaling with Systems as well. We got Mr. Paul in the background over here. What a handsome looking guy. That's another client of ours at Scaling with Systems. Like I said, yesterday we had the actual mastermind. Today is much more chill. People are working other than when I'm interrupting them by walking through here with the camera right now. This is the entire house. I have all of my stuff in my pocket, so please don't push me in right now. But this is this is a pretty epic house. My bedroom's been right here, so like every single morning, wake up, walk out here, and pretty much just jump in the water. It's been really beautiful. And then the view, we are literally, so Canary Islands is on a rock off the west coast of Africa. So we're literally on a volcano right now. And actually, one island over, a volcano erupted the first day that we got here, which is pretty insane. Luckily, we're okay, and I wish the best to anybody that's on that island, and I hope they're doing all right as well. We have a saltwater pool I'm gonna take you guys down to in just 1 second over here. I know the wind's probably picking up, so let's come down here. Let me show you guys some weird stuff down here. This is really where it gets exciting. So instantly, you're like teleported into this essentially cave is really what it looks like over here. And there's a bathroom over here on the right side. And then if we come down here, this is actually one of my favorite pieces of this entire house. Look at this, we have our own private saltwater pool. So this thing's pretty epic. If you come all the way down, you'll be able to see literally there's crabs, there's fish, there's actually some pretty big fish. I saw a guy fishing in here yesterday. And if you walk all the way down there, you can see waves crashing up on the shore. We hung out yesterday here for a little bit as well. I've been super blessed. Although this house is weird, it is really, really impressive. And we had 40 people here yesterday total, like between the team and the clients, and it really didn't feel crowded at all. And because there's multiple different layers and kind of little cool alcoves like this to hang out on. But let me walk you guys around this area up here real quick. All right, so this is where it is actually weird. This is kind of like the man cave-ish bar area that we had this in. So we were hanging out here, I think 2 nights ago, just having a good time. It's been actually really, really nice to be spending time with my team members. So many of you guys watching this right now, I know, at least from speaking to some of my viewers, you guys are online, right? Run an online company. And when you run online, I've had some of my team members for over 2 years that I've literally never seen in person. So one of the cool things about company retreats, and I can't recommend it enough, is that I actually got to meet people in person, face to face, and talk to them and talk about something other than business and see them other than on a Zoom call, which has been absolutely incredible for our culture as well. So we're gonna wrap it back up here, guys. This is a little foosball table for you. Once again, a bunch of really weird art, some faces here. I don't really know, I'm afraid that we might be haunted after we leave this place. Actually, a really beautiful looking door. Don't forget to break a leg here. You guys see what I'm doing? And we are gonna wrap it up over here, guys. I just want to touch on a few more things as you guys are watching this video here before you click away. Like I said a second ago, if you do run an online company, and if you guys have been thinking about doing a company retreat or even a client mastermind, I cannot recommend it enough. It was really awesome to see some of our higher level clients here yesterday and spending some time with them and being able to dive deep inside their business, build out advertising campaigns, build out sales funnels for them, build out lead generation campaigns, and then also helping our team as well. So not only do we have a lot of fun while we're here, but we did a lot of work. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hope you guys have subscribed to the channel. If you have not, make sure you smash the like button down below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.